Hello friends! In episode for this week I decided to visit Tantallon Castle and beautiful city of North Berwick. If you enjoy my videos, I will appreciate if you share it with your friends or subscribe to my YouTube channel. 2 miles east of North Berwick, we can find Tantallon Castle. William Douglas, a nobleman showing off his status, built this castle in 1350. Sitting on the edge of cliffs, facing the beautiful Brass Rock. The castle is now a ruin, managed by Historical Environment of Scotland, who have installed walkways that allow visitors to explore the castle walls, along with information panels that explain the castle's fascinating history. The top of the curtain wall is the best spot to watch the seabird colonies that call this part of East Lothian their home. If you want to explore the coastline to see more wildlife, it's just a short walk to Seacliff beach.